Today we're going to be working with the program Corel Draw 2020 to design a simple graphic for the use in videos and promotional items for CustomSolidWorks.com. Starting off, I have created a page with a height of 6 inches and a width of 4 inches. Next, I will import a file by clicking on the file in Explorer, copying the image and pasting it into Corel Draw. With the image pasted into my document, I now use the Object Size and Position dialog box to resize and position the image on the page. The scale is set to inches, and I resize and position my object with nice round numbers. Now that I've scaled and positioned the object, I will select the Bezier curve tool to draw a line, placing a node each time I click to trace along the outline of the object. Selecting the Shape tool from the sidebar, F10 is a shortcut. I can now click a node on that line, right-click again, and change the node type from a line to a curve. This now gives 2 control points for that node. With the node set to make curves with the 2 arrows as control points, you can see how my Bezier curve lines are taking shape in the form of a tooth and gullet of the saw blade. Now that we have created the curve, we simply copy Ctrl-C and paste Ctrl-V using the shortcuts on the keyboard, making additional curves conforming to the outline of the image by rotating and aligning. Once the copied curve is conformed and fitted with the original curve, we try not to make any additional changes to the shape of the curve. Instead of working my way around the whole object using the Bezier curve shape, I could have made half or even a quarter of the shape around the image, then copied and pasted multiple curves at once, saving time. Furthermore, avoiding problems if the image used had been out of shape or skewed. I've added a short clip of duplicating half the saw blade at once. From this point in the video, I'll speed up the feed. The total amount of time it took to work around the image was 7 minutes. Here I've sped the clip up so the task is completed within a minute. To finish the design, I will use the same Bezier curve tool and trace the direction arrow and the 2 pin lock holes to finish out the image. Again, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel to watch as I build a business from the ground up. This is the first of a series of videos in the making of the business CustomSawWork.com. Follow along with me on my journey of making a wood shop. I would like to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative and helped viewers better understand the Bezier curve tool and to go create some good works of art.